Hey, it's David Devs here again, and I'm ready to create another subpar piece of YouTube content. Oh yeah, and pretend that I know how to code. So today I was going to show you guys how truly lazy I am by automating something as simple as an online mouse accuracy test. Rather than actually working to improve my skills, I'm just going to cheese it with some code. But before we start, I would like to quickly apologize for the last video I put out. I was using a kind of crappy editing software, and I have since upgraded to something much more capable, which I definitely did not spend a week and a half learning how to use. You know what that means. I can't blame the editing software for the crap I put on the internet. Okay, but now before we see my code absolutely kick this test butt, let's check out my own extremely pathetic attempt at this test.
Wow.
Alright, well thanks for that, and I am definitely never going to do that again. That was awful. Now it's my code's turn to blow this game away. Holy that was amazing, man. I know it was just a script clicking on some circles, but still, that was pretty awesome. What? Oh, you want to know how this code works? Alright, fine, I'll show you. I'll tell you my secret, because I know you guys are all super anxious and excited to know how it works. Well, my secret is, I just started beating the ever-loving crap out of my keyboard, and this happened.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Well, I'm glad you thought so, because you guys are about to get learned. First, I imported a lot of modules. I imported CV2, NumPy as NP, Pi screenshot, button and controller from the PyInput.mouse, sleep from time, time itself, and web browser. Then I got the URL of the online mouse test and set that as a reference string for later. Created an instance of the controller, did a bunch of stuff I don't even quite understand to create a blob detector with a set of parameters, opened the browser to the site with the URL variable, slept for 2.5 seconds, and initiated a time variable so we can measure how long our code has been running. Then we jump into the main loop of the program. First thing it does is reference the current time and our other time variable to see how long the code has been running. If it is for more than 31 seconds, it ends the loop and subsequently kills the program. Now we take a screenshot, convert it into a NumPy array, and crop the portion of the screen with the actual game out of it. Now it takes a threshold of the screenshot, which makes it look like this. This simply makes it easier for the blobs to be separated from the background. Next, we use the blob detector we created to get a list of detected points and store them to a list. Then it iterates through these points and clicks on them. Then we have to wait for 70 milliseconds because if we don't, the code runs too fast, clicks too many times per second, and then causes the click accuracy to drop faster than my grade. That's really it. Also, this wasn't really meant to be a tutorial, more of a look at how I went about the project in the worst way possible. If you want to see or download my code, I will leave a link to my GitHub repo in the description. Please don't hate on it too much because I already know I suck at coding. This is also the end of the video, much to the relief of many of you. Before you go, if you liked the video, go away, you're delusional. But if you want more of my garbage content which I post bi-weekly, subscribe. Peace out.